White Mountain Dew. Have you ever heard of it? Because I have.
Yeah.
You're pink.
Oh, I'm not pink. I am pretty sure I'm white.
You are pink. You have your lighter.
Hey, am I white or pink?
Pink.
Oh.
You have
Alright,
your lighter so you can see.
So now I'm a popsicle then. The monster went where Orange's going. Yo, the monster
Where are you
went over
guys?
there, Orange. Monster went over there.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Super fly.
Is he coming? Is Momo
No, I don't even
coming?
know where he's at.
Do, 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 do. Is that the... What is that?
Oh my god, ska det gå framåt och
Oh, it's a pipe. No way, I thought a pipe is a monster. Oh no, that's actually... Oh, that's... I don't like that. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh, I don't like
He's
that.
right there.
I don't like that.
Guys!
Wrong way.
Oh, that's terrifying. I don't like that.
It was right there, guys!
You're lying.
It is there!
These are tweaking.
These monsters. Bro.
What are you guys running from?
It's like a,
monster.
it's like a big thing.
It's
These are
Momo.
It's
There's nothing
terrible.
here.
Momo, guys.
Even my
Here's your
dog's
tripping.
barking.
There's nothing here.
He's over
Is it in
there.
this hole? What is this?
Oh no.
No, don't go in. You'll die if you go in.
What is it?
Look, let me show you.
No, don't go in. No!
Oh.
Oh, he's back. No.
Men
Guys,
det
I
var
knew- I
du
don't
som
know
gick
what
in
it
i
is.
mig.
Hamburger.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, wait, run, run. Oh,
Yo, guys.
Oh my goodness. That scared me.
that sound is fucking terrifying. Oh no.
Bro, this is the
Wake
scariest
up,
one, bro.
Albie, I don't like
Wow.
this.
What up, my friends?
He killed me.
Yo, guys,
there.
guys. Let's go.
Hey, bro, go. Go, Red. Yeah, you.
Fjorton.
I am in a public. I said hi. We're in public.
Let's go.
Let's go. Go. Go.
Save energy because
no.
when he saves
you
it,
hardly. Oh, I fell.
He's
he's not
not
even
here.
there.
You hardly
He
walk.
ain't even there.
Bro, fell. You hardly ever see the monster. I say something.
Hey, go.
I get up here because
Guys, look at my core
let's
movement.
go this way.
Yo,
That way.
Look
do
at
you
my
do that?
core
He's
movement.
down there. He's down there.
How scary is a monster? Not that scary, it's only really loud. This way!
Yeah, but loud is terrible.
Look at my core movement.
When you're in a
Look.
dark hallway and
Oh,
it's not
right,
loud
right,
ones,
right.
don't you? It's actually
Never
terrifying.
see me again, bro.
Oh,
Should we be going under there?
what is that?
Look
know.
at my
Very
core
pretty monster.
movement.
Wait, come back.
how do you do it, bro?
Wait, there's a secret passage?
Yeah, bro, you
Oh,
can just
there
go.
is. There is a secret.
Don't
passage.
jump in. Don't jump
There
in.
is a secret passage.
How is you levitating?
Where are you going?
That's
You
it, bro.
can't stop me, bro.
No.
He's gonna stay on the platform.
No, bro. You guys just gotta get on this platform me and Red are at. No.
Oh yeah, I got you. I'm tweaking.
Nah, that's
Guys, jump over there.
Me and Red are on visible platforms. You can come on too.
Yeah.
Hello, Red. Oh, Oh, look at
Oh, he's gone.
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's right there. He's
Yeah, there's
ascending.
multiple steps. Oh.
going up the hill.
Ah!